Okay, so let's cover the topic of picking your niche in this video. Now, you don't have to find something that you're passionate about, but it is good to sell something that you have a slight interest in so that you can better get through the bad days of having an online business. Because when you first start out, you are going to encounter some bad days where you get low sales or just where you encounter certain problems. Okay, so now let's cover three methods here on how to find your niche. Method number one, and now this method is more for short-term profits, and this method involves just finding whatever the newest craze is. So you're not really looking for a product that you could continue to sell in the long run. You're just always looking for the newest craze. And some people do profit from this strategy. And you could use tools such as Trendosaur or Terapeak to see what the next top selling product will be. So, for example, using Trendosaur, someone was able to find out about those selfie sticks, and I think it was about two months before they became popular in the United States, and they stocked up on the selfie sticks, and they ended up making around $65,000 in 1 month from selfie sticks. Okay, so now on to method number two. If you're gonna go start off selling on Amazon, you should go to Amazon's best sellers list to find out which products are the hottest selling. Okay, so find out which products have good reviews and not many sellers so that there's not much competition in your niche. Okay, now method number three is where you just don't rely on Amazon or any of the online tools that I just mentioned and just pick a niche based on certain criteria. Okay, so method number three is great if you're just going to start off with your own e-commerce site and you're not even going to bother going on Amazon. You're just going to go straight to your own e-commerce site using Shopify. Okay, so here are some of the criteria you're going to want to look at when choosing a niche. You're going to want to choose a niche where you can add value so that you can differentiate yourself from the competition. You're going to also want to find a niche that has passionate or desperate buyers. So by desperate, I mean people that have problems that they need to solve immediately and they're desperate enough to buy it online. Okay, you're also going to want to find a niche in which the products are hard to find locally. Okay, you're also going to want to find a niche in which the products are disposable or consumable. So this is good for getting repeat customers. And lastly, the other criteria here is a niche in which the products require a lot of accessories. I'm not sure if you knew this, but accessories have high markups. Okay, I mean, as an example, when you go to Best Buy and you buy a TV, they don't really make much profit on the TV. There's a very small markup, but when you buy accessories, there's a high markup on that, and they actually profit more sometimes from the accessories. Okay, so this is just some of the criteria, and you don't have to choose a niche based on all of this criteria. It could just be based on one or two of these criteria.